so there. Nonsense so there. Alright. I'll be with you soon, okay? Don't worry. This is the man they might call the money man. $1,000. Kuba. Not money. And I'm my friends. I'm a down. I'm becoming jealous. Man, I'm down. Please, I'm going to be with you. I'll take it back. Yeah, alright. That's it. Whoa! You are lucky in everything. But do you know you're not Rako? But I know you. You know, the moment this call came, and the first thing that he said, pick it. You never can tell. Could be. You could be. And it was. Do you know what I normally call you? Whoa. But we'll consider. The moment I noticed the way you were smiling, I knew that must be catch. And he's able to too. Be careful with that before you damage that. Smiles on your face. You know this guy? You don't need to tell me. This guy is an oracle. You don't need to tell me. You know he said it could have been. This and that. But I should pick up. And I indeed. This and that. You know the name we normally call it. Pope. The moment I noticed the smile on your face, I knew it. And then it must be a new car. And you are about relocated to somewhere. Immediately. I know. You know. But before I move, I will definitely digress with you what we have started. Oh, cheers. 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 To good life, to everything, and to more licky. Kuba. I have made this thing as a principle that each and every member of this our group, by the year 2034, wow. We'll all be living in the Bahamas.
Afternoon. Have you seen my friend Stella? Now since morning I see how. I even won't give her breakfast. She said make I no worry. Really? Yes. Are you sure she's well? And that one I don't know.
Stella has been acting really strange recently.
Okay, just set the table. Okay, let me check.
honestly, I have to confess, no woman has made me feel the way you feel today. But come on, don't be shy. Oh my God, honestly, you have to broke my bones and fix them back the way they are supposed to be. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, no, don't call me sir. What you need to do is just call me some sweet names. You call me names like sweet honey, yeah, honey pie, sugar something, names that will make my heart grow even more.
Okay, sir.
There you go. Squally, no, I am so happy. Baby, because of what you have been able to do to me, because of the way you handled me, because of the way you set my bones and made me feel this and that. Baby, concerning what you told me about your family, I have made up my mind to make you comfortable here in Abuja. Yes, I will do it. The only hitch I find in all this is about your husband. I don't know if I can do anything, whatever it is that will make you comfortable. Is it possible that you can be able to handle your husband so that he doesn't turn up here and begin to make the mess of the relationship and even cause nuisance? You know how a man feels. A man likes to be comfortable, doesn't he?
I understand. But like I told you before, there won't be any problem. I will just get a house here, a business, like boutique business, then a small car to be running my business. My husband can always come, visit and go. I'm not living here. He'll just visit me and go.
Wait, is that what it is?
Of course.
Just to get you a house, a store,
Yeah.
and then a car.
That's all.
And then you can handle the rest.
Of course.
Maybe consider that one done. Consider it done.
God bless you.
Chief, no, baby, anything that can make you keep your husband calm. Dollars money, but that dollars extraordinary will make it even more extraordinary.
Oh, may God bless you, Chief. Thank you so much.
You're the one that got you blessed. Do you know what it takes to make a man like me happy? No. You know what? I may go to the extreme, however, you know what? I like to press the button home as soon as it comes. Just don't let it. Just don't let it go.
Chief, good morning.
Sonny?
How's everything?
Yes. Where are you now?
I am heading to my office right away.
That's something that I want now. Can I get a duplex? Yes, a detached duplex that is self-contained. I don't want any other building except probably the security house. Somewhere that is very, very serene. Probably around GRA or, anywhere that is exclusive.
Yes, as a matter of fact, there is one already, well furnished, and it's on rent with all the properties inside.
Can I get it today or tomorrow? Good. You said you're on your way to your office, right? Sonny, just listen to me. I'm going to give your number to a lady. Her name is Stella, and she's going to call you. Take her around, let her make a choice. Take her to the best houses that you have. Let her make a choice. If she doesn't like a particular one, allow her to take a choice of what she wants, okay? Yes, make sure it's good. And as soon as you're done with her, call me for the settlement. Anything that concerns payment, just call me, okay?
Yes, Chief.
Don't bother her. Today, he will call you right now.
Oh, that'll be fine. Thank you, sir.
All right. Talk to you later.
Thank you, Chief. Yeah.
baby.
My heavenly Father will bless you, Chief. God will bless you, Chief.
God will bless you. You don't want like this job. God is going to so much bless you. See, you know what? I'm going to provide you with a check of $1 million. Yes, but Chief, I want you to go to this. Okay? Settle some things. Take care of your family. Make sure that nobody is injured. And then go and see your parents as well. And also take care of things. I only want you to be comfortable. Maybe if that money is not enough, just call me. I will simply transfer you. You have made my world.
You've also made my world, Chief.
Yes, you know, if care is not taken, but however, I am coming. You don't call me Governor Delos for nothing. Maybe I'm going to make you so comfortable because a woman like you deserves everything.
Thank you so much.
It's not a fact of honestly.
Bless you.
Please take care of me.
Of course.
Let me put you on this. Just one more time. Make sure all this is okay. Pick your call.
Hey! 1 million naira check. Just like that. Oh my word. My campus. Choke. Poverty. Emily Gonge. I have conquered. Yes! Ogwebuna. Ogwebuna. Oh, I'm not feeling that way. But honestly, my God will give you and bless you very well for me. Hey! It is working. Oh now. It didn't work. It didn't work now. See results. It didn't work. So this is what I have been missing. All in the name of marriage. No wonder Tina is extremely rich. Just look at everything she has. Only her. In fact, I can't wait to go back to Lagos to see the face of that man that calls himself Tony. That man that wants to ruin my youthful age just because of marriage. Hey, marriage will all come. Not be lonely. Who is that?
Stella!
I'm coming. Hold on.
Why did you delay opening the door?
It's very tired. You know, this orientation camp can be very, very stressful. These people stressed my life. I'm so tired. I'm so sorry.
Are you sure it's just the orientation camp?
Of course. What else will it be? That's just it. I need to freshen up then. Come with you at the living room. Okay. I will be traveling to Lagos tomorrow.
Really?
Yes.
Without a day or two notice? Stella.
I'm sorry about that.
Okay, that's okay. Did you see Eselina Nego?
That's okay. I'll wait for you, okay?
Okay.
I know it's your house. This is my home.
This is massive.
I love that. I know you will love it. You can look around, check everywhere.
This house is beautiful. I don't need to see any other one. I'm okay with this one. Yes. Of course, I'm sure.
Okay, let me take you on.
No. Please come first. Like, how much do you think this house is worth?
You don't need to bother yourself. I'm gonna do now. You take care of that. So come inside. Come inside. Come in.
Wow.
Let's start by going inside. Check everything.
Of course. Good. I love it.
My daughter!
Papa! Mama, where
Stella,
is
my daughter. She's inside.
Mama!
What's Stella?
Mama! Mama, your daughter is back. No! Mama! No! Mama! Yes, Mama. Thank you, Mama. Papa, how are you?
Fine. My daughter.
Yes, Papa.
You came unannounced. Eh? Where is your husband?
How can she obtain permission to come to her parents' house? Or the possible? Mom, you're welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
How about your husband and your son?
Fine.
They are fine, right?
Yes. I spoke with my husband before coming. I told them I'll join them 3 days time.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
No,
Yes. Driver. Is that all? Mego. Driver, are you not bringing down everything?
Yeah, what about all these food items?
Of course. I roll them for you people. I want you to eat and look good, look healthy for me.
So all for us?
Of course.
For us?
Of course. Driver, please bring them. But Mama, where can he keep these things from?
My daughter, you mean what you just told me now is what you experienced during your orientation camp in Abuja?
But you hurt her. You heard her. My daughter is now an Abuja-based copper with house and a good job to go with it.
We are proud of you.
Thank you, Papa.
And I'm sure your husband, Tony, will be happy too.
Of course.
But that reminds me, you mean your husband is not yet aware of this?
He's not yet aware. I will tell him the latest developments once I get back to Lagos.
Please do, because that young man has immensely contributed to this.
My husband, he doesn't have a choice. Back there in Lagos, what is the strength of his business? It
doesn't matter, woman. Every man has a limit and will always want to have the financial authority over his partners.
That was exactly what he did to me. Exactly what he did to me. I had custom offer, but he made me lose it because of this ego. Your mother would have been a very big custom officer. He caused it. Men with their ego. Obunu.
It's okay.
I would have been a very big custom officer. A man at very well in school. Look at who caused it.
Mama, it's okay, Papa. It's fine. It's okay. I had a long day of journey.
Yes,
I need to go inside and catch some rest. Because first thing in the morning, I'm going back to Lagos.
No problems. Go in and rest. If not for the fact I know you want to go and see your husband and child, I would have said you stay a little longer. Because I've missed you, Mom.
I've missed you too.
Yeah? You have to stay a bit longer.
Bye-bye.